Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today I will be sharing one interesting topic called remember the people name when you meet them. It is taken from the book called Enjoy. Very happy, and it is and then he started discussing everything, and whatever the question, whatever the things he wanted to say to the scholar, he came and said everything. So moral is to initiate a point, to initiate an emerging point. One thing is call the people by name. They will be very happy about it. Take this same scenario in the business environment. Let's say you're dealing with the suppliers, and let's say you have so much automation in place, and you are automated, and you are addressing this email to all the people, all the suppliers to whom you deal with. The minute you say a very generic word such as high valued supplier, high respected supplier, though these words are really powerful, in spite of that, it will not give a best result. In order to have a best result, what you may need to do is call the supplier by name. Let's say supplier A. You call their names, you address an email. Dear supplier A, greetings, I am reaching out to you for this and this reason, and they will be very happy, and supplier response will be much better. And the same thing actually, it is also one thing we also need to keep in mind, that remember the people name in different people, different states, different countries, their pronunciation styles are also different. The way we write and the way it is pronounced are different. Let me quote an example. Let's say you have a friends, whether it's the FB friends or whether it's your office comrade or whether it's anybody. Let's say in Mexican. In the Mexican fashion is, let's say you wanted to call out Javier, Javier, right? That's how it needs to be pronounced. But actually, to be very surprise for you, it needs to be pronounced as Javier. The word Ja is pronounced as Ha in Mexican culture. So like this, actually, you also get to learn how the people name should be called out. Let's say you need to deliver in a presentation, and you need to give awards for. You need to call out the awardees. In awardees, if you say mistakenly, if you pronounce it, that's the last thing the participant wanted to get it. So please, even before going to the presentation, even going to call out the names, have the best rehearsal. If you're in doubt, you call out the names. Actually, you call that person, am I pronouncing your name correctly? If that is the so, please, if there is any correction to be applied, please do apply correction, because that is also a big dimension of calling out the names of people. Calling out the names accurately also important. Let me share one more example. This is a personal experience. In 2016, I went Pune and I stayed in 5-star hotel. And after that, my journey had to be like after 1.5 years, closely to 2 years. I went this time, and actually, like, I was having my breakfast. It was around 8 o'clock. I was having my breakfast in the hotel lobby, and all of a sudden, actually, like, somebody just pat on my back and said that, "Hi, Abrar, how are you doing today?" I was completely shocked. It was, regional manager or the manager, executive manager, who take care of the relationship of the customer. So what I extremely wonder that how they have a database where then they capture the names of the people and they call out the names of the people, and it is so delighted, and that experience is so enormous. Please do so. And one way, and also at the bottom line is, it is also little equal harder to remember all the people name. So to do that, what we need to do is, when you're talking to new people, when you're talking to anybody, try to call out their names once, 2 times, 3 times during your discussions, and have a good eye contact, so that your brain will try to draw a simulations of how the person behavior, how the person looks like, everything. Thereby you can also remember the people name. And also one way is, even if you're some people are good at writing. When they write, they remember things. Even in such case also, please try to have an attempt of writing it, so that you can remember the people names. At the end of the day, what will be very happy is when you call out any station, whether you are in the aeroplanes, whether you are in the airport, or whether you are dealing with supplier, or customer, or colleagues, or students, or teachers, call out by names. It will bring a lot of vitality, and your life will be so much respect, and people will feel how I started the sentence. People will feel that you have a great concerns for them. So please do so, and it is harder, but it is something doable. Please do that. With that small reminder, let me remind you to please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day ahead.